Tank. Tank. Alright, Tank says hey. Yep, there's the paw. He says hey. Alright, so today on GenXhotrodsTV, we're going to do some gun shooting. We're going to shoot some shotgun slugs, some homemade shells, but most importantly, we're going to see just how many pieces of 1/2-inch sheetrock it takes a .22 rifle to go through. Alright, so that's 10 sheets. As you can see, passed right through. Get out of the light there. Passed right through with no problems. So we're going to add 5 more sheets to it. Alright, 15 sheets. Go for it. Alright. There's 15, 14. That would be 14, this would be 13. Yep, there it is right there. There's our bullet. Ooh, it's hot. There it is. Unmessed with. And as you can see, he didn't hit the same hole. He actually shot a different hole. That one there. So what we've got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sheets. So remember that. Anytime you think a .22 rifle makes a great home defense weapon or something you want to just pop up and pop around somebody, that will shoot through 1, 2, 3, 4 of your walls if it don't hit a wall stud. So keep that in mind, guys. All right, now we can carry on with the fun. We got 15. Let's see if a slug will go through 15 of them. My buddy Flip here is going to be our test subject. We're going to shoot a, what size slug is it?
12 gauge.
What size? 3-inch, 2 3/4? Looks like a 2 3/4. Here.
Yes.
Let's see. All right. Yeah, 2 3/4 1 ounce high brass. So we'll see if what kind of damage this will do to it. Don't hit my damn cameras. Yeah, I'd say that that did it. Alright, so we got a trusty pipe gun, which is what we use so we don't mess up our perfectly good shotguns, because I don't like shooting shit out of my, it ain't much, but it's mine. But we got a marker. So we're going to shoot a marker at a board to see what it does. Yeah, that was less than expected, but all right. So this time, since this ain't a crazy marker, I got gumballs with just enough wax to hold them and a wing nut. So let's see what they do. Gumballs. Let's see what gumballs do. It's a gumball. Alright, this time we got brads for an air nailer all packed in there. No wax, no nothing, just packed in there good. Let's see how they fire out. I'd say it hammered them in there pretty good. Alright. Colored chalk. Just regular chalk, no fancy wax or nothing. I'm just gonna shoot this out of the pipe gun because, well, right now I like my shotgun, so let's see how this does. I'm hoping it explodes. That would be awesome. marbles. Both of them actually went right through it. That's the other gumball. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. All right, this is a slug. It's probably gonna hurt. All right. Flashlight. See how this does. It is still on. I would let you look down the barrel, but kids don't do that. That's not a good idea. That's not safe. Sideways, it blowed through it. Shotguns are no joke. All right,
I can back up from it.
we're gonna shoot a 3-liter Coke bottle, or 3-liter Coke with looks like a 2 3/4 1 ounce slug. All right, and on that note, we're gonna end it off on this right here. From us and all of me and all of us at GenX Hot Rods, we appreciate you watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Push that like button. It does us a big favor. If you liked watching the gun videos, we're having a ball out here and we're going to be doing a lot more of them. So please stay tuned. There's more to come. And on that note, I'm going to let my buddy Flip here finish this one off.